Alright, so I'm printing the direct drive conversion bracket on this printer. It'll be kind of a bracket like this, and it'll move the extruder from over here to there on the Sunlu S9 Plus, which is this machine over here. And as you see, there's nothing there. The extruder is over there. These are all pretty much like creality parts, so it's all pretty simple stuff. So the real advantage probably is that you don't have to have certain stuff in here, like I don't know, certain things probably flex too much. And then this printer here right now is actually printing a tool holder for the other printer that's printing the part for this. So this is I think probably the second or third print on this printer. I tried a print on a glass bed that I have on the other printer, and it didn't really work real well. This printer here works better with its own bed. It has a nozzle that seems to print smaller than 0.4 from kind of what I can tell, but I'm using the settings in Cura for a creality CR10 printer. I don't know, it printed the last thing I printed, it printed it better than the other printer, less stringing and things like that, but also the dryer is hooked up. So I don't know, I might leave it like this for a little while. I mean, I just got this the other day and got it set up. Say you have your spool up here, and if you want to use the dryer and feed it to the printer, it would be hard to do it once you convert it without some other stuff. From here, it's not too bad because you're right there feeding it into the sensor. So I think, you know, overall it's not a bad printer. I looked on AliExpress or something, and these are $99 on AliExpress. They normally are $199. It's $199 on Amazon, and went on sale after I bought it for $189. So I need to actually like call them and see what they can do. But anyway, so it's $10. That's like a roll of filament for me. So we're printing the direct drive thing, and then we may wait a while to do it.